Here is the unboxing video of the latest TIQmini Q5 flip smartphone. You can see here that he is a dedicated US band phone. This means it cannot be used outside the United States. Let's unpack it and see. There is a mobile phone here. Then we can see an extra USB-C cable. This is a special data cable. Then there is also a mobile phone charger with a data cable. Now let's take a look at this phone. It has dual screens, which means you can take calls without opening it. It has a round headphone hole and a Type-C charging hole on its side, but it requires a special charging cable to charge. Here are the volume keys and the flashlight switch. On the back is the speaker and the SOS emergency button. This is a 177-inch screen, and there's a button to answer the call. Let's open it. We can see that its keyboard is soft and comfortable to press. There are 3 shortcut function buttons here: WhatsApp, Camera, Facebook. It has a 2.8 feet touchscreen display. 2.8 feet. It's smooth. It can also be controlled via keys. This means you will have to input messages. Best of all, it's Android 11 and comes with the Google Play Store. Supports free downloading of applications, but I don't recommend downloading too many apps, because the purpose of buying it is not to play games. 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of ROM are sufficient for us to install some essential communication apps. It's great, to be honest. You can see I have YouTube and Twitter installed. It can even use YouTube to watch videos smoothly. China's network is very slow. This will not happen in the United States. Let's look at these function keys. WhatsApp, Facebook, and Camera. They work perfectly and have both front and rear cameras. This is a 1.77-inch screen, and it can display incoming call information. It has an SOS button and a speaker on the back. It has a detachable 1450 mAh MR battery. This is enough for me to use it all day. You can see it has 2 card slots. They are SIM card slots and expansion memory card slots, and support memory expansion up to 32 GB. It comes with 32 GB of memory, which means you can use up to 64 GB. This product is great.